Looking for the best design ideas? This video is for you.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are new to the channel, we have many design inspirations for you. Subscribe to be in tune.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Do you want your friends to be impressed by visiting your place? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. Visit our website, designercheatsheet.com.
His senses and time perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and...
Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective